me down.
Why?
Because I went to the corner hiding.
Oh.
And I was looking down because I was
Yeah.
I'm not going to find mascot hard one.
No. I do believe. Oh dear.
Yeah. I was like, her brother's looking into it for me.
That was disgusting. Ew. Lucia. Oh my God, more spoils. I believe we're heading back now. We go into the house. Ah, do we have candy? Do we have candy? We shall see.
Can you do it? Can't quite get it.
Where is it? Oh.
Here.
That's weird.
Hello!
Whoa, got you again.
Got it? Whoops.
Uh-oh.
You got it? Hang on.
Wait, oh, there it is.
Your head's kind of big. Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
You got it.
Thank you very much. Okay. You got it? The bigger the ball, the better.
What?
So the bigger the bar, the better. Here's big bars. Hmm?
I wish I could see.
He's like, oh, be careful. They're kind of big. And then I look down. Look, here they are. They're that decently big ones. I don't know which thing he gave us.
Oh, you're decently big hands.
No.
Because I couldn't grip.
No, he was talking with he said be careful, they're kind of big. So I'm presuming oh look, a glowing pumpkin. It's like I was saying about. Check it out. Ooh. Thank you. Hey.
Hi, Bobby.
Oh, oh. At least they knew you were a dog.
Huh?
At least they know you're a dog. I notice the younger they are, the more they know what you are.
Well.
But then again, kids are more into that kind of stuff.
Ah!
Oh, we got a tree?
Yeah.
Woo!
There's a couple.
It almost got me a little bit. It brushed the top of my head, but it didn't do anything. I remember that. That was random when we came off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You win in my book. We call that, ladies and gentlemen, a fail.
Oh yes, most definitely a fail. It was a big fail. Didn't even get any of us.
Plus the kids were yelling at him.
Oh, I know. They're like, oh, look at the guy in the tree. Huh? It's kind of obvious then, isn't it? Sorry, I believe we're on our way back now. What the? Whoa. This is our destination. Oh my god. This is our destination. Generation. As I almost trip over a brick. I think it was a brick. No.
Hey, that's a good costume. Nice.
Thank you. Let's go. Back. Ah, I did it again. Every time I step on that stinking thingamabob.
I'm sorry.
I can't really see what I'm recording. They. Ooh, one smell of chicken. I like Doritos. Oh, they are right there. Oh no, you scared her.
Which one you want? What do you want?
The red one. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this works. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Dun, dun. Oh. I don't know where that humming came from. Excuse me, I have to... Oh, we can't really see that well.